Fantastic morning. And I know price some rational. Wala natural mineral water the Asia Conco. Yeah, I would even some and I bro say big about can see. Yeah, and a so there's a fata salt in the brema quine or not yet the bro if you so now you can't sana you can wala chewa okwa also pe wala and name supano. That's a one numbia wala. Wala Sergio Banuccio Bernard Parry will be producer schedule and Cassane Erica Sidu Bueri Yansha Sem from the Europa League and Abba matches this mudaho no Ubiaka Manchester United a 5-way or movie and Saturday Hosa draw and Tottenham kwa away ko win Olympiacos even it's win over Braga and Ajax na Slavia Praha a ball a year 1-1 and no and officially the Conference League games about so Chelsea and so to me a boy Jumano Yango Hemunsem. So across Europe and any other games be Brinana Koko. So Chelsea so-called game more in the Conference League. Eko Bogumuni Tipa Nanya some Keto Accra. As a Chelsea Vimonaba. Vimonaba Yazu. Yazuti. Yenche Chelsea beat Matwaso sa. As I say, as a Chelsea fans, na no din the Oman Antia no Madin. I just almost quite away. Eko Amutina we need 4-2 over games. It's Yen Shannon Sosa or now. We know at and China Yanko at fixtures at the Basel this weekend in the EPL and La Liga. Saying I want some Crystal Palace and Liverpool early kickoff. You're careful. Now for Arsenal, Southampton, Eddie Abweni, Brentford, New Wolves, Leicester, and Bournemouth, Manchester City, Fulham, West Ham United, Ipswich, Everton, Newcastle, Kwasieda, Aston Villa, Man U, Hani Epam, Itahagino. Chelsea, Northern Forest, and I face Brighton and Spurs weekend games. In La Liga, Real Madrid back in action, and I ultimately say yes. Papa Madrid, so much me redeem your 36 games unbeaten. Lille, Achenasha, Manabana, Leganes, Valencia, Espanyol, and Mallorca, Getafe, Osasuna, Las Palmas, and Celta de Vigo, Valladolid, and Rayo Vallecano, Real Madrid, and Villarreal. Girona, and Athletic Club Bilbao, na Deportivo Alaves, ne Barcelona, and so they are Pemso Alaves, or share Real Madrid, Petresa, and Hedio Bestia, or Bassa game in Mosavia. Real Betis, and I think Sociedad, and name Atletico de Madrid. Nice game. Atletico Coluzu 4. Champions League anymore. Yanshe say over to me. I read the this weekend. A back-to-back defeats, so they're bedding. As you know what time it is. Then Atletico will go was our game anymore and 1 p.m. Otoado I announced Ghana's squad they be facing Sudan and take a chance of FMI the GFA headquarters and as a media encounter no so Coach Otoado say something new and I said the cry and I some so it's at here fifth week of Ghanaian Premier League Basso den House of Folk and then you may the Legon Sports Stadium and also University of Ghana Stadium House of Folk Jan and I saw now when Adriana Star said that so what a game Yawa Mankwa assistant coach and my House of Folk Ninsama Walker ahead of the game day.
Yeah, the boys are very ready. Concerning the preparation, we started on Tuesday. We started on Tuesday, and yesterday also we did the same training. We continue with the preparation. They are very motivated. Talking about their strategy, I'm sure we are planning. We don't want to review the plan to the public. Everything will be fine. Yeah, as I already said, the players are motivated and they are eager to go there and make amends. And we are hoping we will bring a very good result.
Right.
Yeah, the voice.
Yao Amankwa. Area to John, a coach at the assistant coach at the House of Folk. Kashan so Safame. My young Chester fish test this weekend, and House of Folk Airbono, Korokos also bebo. Na utimunsa yes asa kotokoye bibi this weekend. Yes. Na me die mane Heart of Lions na ebo china America catch us house near the next 6 p.m. University of Ghana Stadium. Kwasi da kotoko Accra Lions 3 p.m. on Lankley. Accra Lions. Stubborn. Kerala and FC Samates na Inswateman and Legon City is about Gold Stars. Oma Shasi Yipa, Amoni Bichim United and Ebona Brekum Chess at Tenafini, new entrants, young apostles, almost Shasi. Now, Dreams and Nations, Nafi Vision and Basake Holy Stars. and so at the Aboni about the Ghanaian Premier League anymore. The match day 5. You be actually be PBN on some February. Marathon Songo Steak live. I can see what Badwam so Mr. Patrick Osageman and from France to Germany to Holland to we're international countryman Songo. Mr. Ajeman Kwaba and a Songo Steak Diani Eshe. All right. Okay. Mr. Ajeman, what's the main car and that Songo Steak Diani Eshe?
Hello.
Yeah, Metoka.
Hello, Eric Minto Cow.
1212.
Let's be coming. William and Mamu, welcome. But Minto Castano.
Right. All right. Yeah, I wait to my tour. Yeah, Songo Steak. Yes,
oh, okay, fantastic. William, no pay me my head. Let's be coming. That, me my welcome. So, that's here. Bibi ade da na kwaso.
Oh yeah, we are bibi fine and then you say coach Tuado be announcing the squad. Near say changes bi o ma na dada na.
Ehwa na me wo. So Tuado say enyo obi na yes selection man. Secret FA president dey say enyo no na yes selection man Tuado dia. Ene na Ghana nyina ene Tuado no enhu se Ghana you players. Even Oko Albania League na goalkeeper Razak Abaloa or Dago Papa in form, Ghana goalkeeper or form. I didn't see him go da. She was sick, almost sick. Almost selection man coach no, and a coach to Adom say. Uni Majuma, Etienne no one yen a Juma no one yen the selection there. And now Obia or yes scout there, come did it and come by this time. Also quote me in your players because Ghana will players. They say you can't blast out no players be almost some fata and a goalkeeper you cross to your problem. And Razak Abaloa. One and currently Okuta form and cast and on good that time blasters goalkeepers me no more honor. Blasters goalkeepers me no more honor. Woman Timini Razak Abaloa now go. Me who the reason why Ghana you could have such a goalkeeper, such a dependable goalkeeper height to height. A bunny said diving and diving, reading of the game. A bunny said young fire 9 more ball now. Yes, obet me contributing the passes. As a goalkeeper will appear, Razak Abaloa, the opie. If we go post no only player 1-on-1 ni who and it also your Ghana coach na yen dictate Celestine Mao and you obi who he and your club administrator be who he and you obi all your football ni be and who he because ebia that goalkeeper affiliate to that person there and as a multi footballer to pa na must say munim football mo and kamuni ni kure na nyane kure na mudima Ghana for enyane kure and mudima Ghana blaster selection che blaster Ghana kakraka we yesi a goalkeeper pa enye this current goalkeeper enye this enye so ube fa atizigi fine uyi atizigi eyi kutuko goalkeeper no eka wona o third goalkeeper aka blasters no it should be Razak Abaloa where that goalkeeper should take the #1 spot. That goalkeeper should take the #1 spot. For Albania League, go and see former Kuta player, and our goalkeeper, and we know that goalkeeper. We know our Razak Abaloa from those days, Ghana, no academy, and San War Dakotoko, and San War Kwab, or Tukan Razak Abaloa could form and that goalkeeper in the bit me a boy. No one is to me. We need competition. Our blasters, player selection from goalkeeper to the last player what the bench. So I don't see why woman did selection in your politics and paying for him and Ghana for him. I catch so coach na yen Celestine, coach na Celestine, na coach na Gasa yen Celestine. They will be the first to sack the coach. And yen kura what can we do? Mesumi tie mesuma den tirenie mesumi hwebo ni bi mesumi follow football say you see ko Ghana players o mo fie any abrochire nyina ye nyina ye follow usi wo pe blasters goalkeeper pa goalkeeper sa untimi ni goalkeeper enja Razak Abalo how politics in Amodia selection and to Amodia selection ye we should see something different. Players view of blasters currently omo sefata so omo ba because omo you good but meet me and catch yourself blasters need here competition when it comes to player selection. Ghana will players a local league. Ghana will players Africa. They are players more Africa omo bobo Ethiopia, Tanzania, Algeria, Morocco, Rwanda. Ghanaian players be what omu betimi a blasters no and you see bopodia you ba because you na born you follow because you who this type of players or deba and as the current players or deba blasters omu improving blasters omu performance nye omu ye good ye ni omu omu here competition say you better call it other good players to make the blasters take. Man, Obia is fair Obia when it comes to AFCON qualifier. AFCON qualified Tunisia somewhere. Make those days. Any young qualified so far Ghana young qualified for AFCON on 2 occasions. I stand to be corrected in the history of a African Cup AFCON. AFCON tournament we are Ghana qualify yet me again. Ajin Cup 4 times. So Ghana blaster selection ebeba any ye go to other selection any ye go to other selection any ye go to other selection naming of squad no man can kura tire no naming of the squad no man can kura tire coach ni say coach dini kure na naming of squad na mo kan dia mo ba kan say nya this same players who come na a performance is disappointing. Who come performance and conquer ball and yes femaye nempokoma timiache because blasters ekuta these players our buy the likes of Kudus Muni Jordan Munina not the blasters in Timisha Niger in Timisha Angola how much more a year Sudan Kusiapia and they was here those days in Nana and the coach in Ngoya me fire no me keeping you on his toes. One so one tiana, one ko baby and Anna, or ye not this one so by you who estia dear more coaching him at me a day, a correcting mistakes, which I could see a piaosha. For now, he's on track. What I see because or accept fire no, or accept criticism no from Ghanaians. And now send was Kuta Sudan team no, a fantastic and against Sudan. A year at class 4 stadium, as I told you. The point be as young Ghana anymore. Or see a pop on Ghana because Ghana, yes, you would think, yet to me, we are anymore to say, ye blasters, ye far to tabu beyond to yes, so ye far band beyond to yes, what? Yes, ye kobobo outside a year Ghana. No, at class 4 stadium, we want to see a better performance from blasters,
okay,
better coaching system from a year trainer scout to Wadu into a fresh squad, on free players. Almost because Ghanaian players no obi a born homodia minim se enye kura no goalkeeping ho ye problem Razak Abalo no or form also move plan you say blasters no ye
okay
1 p.m. live for fire
all right
more fire.
Most definitely, yes. My man Patrick Osajeman, countryman songo, no de songo stick at their brain. Walla natural mineral water, the Asia Concone and Opena. Yade, I can see a buyer, Shannon Swami, no super, a Walla natural mineral water, Division 1 League, age them wooden dending, and of course the AP weekend, the Ibiano or the other leagues in Monsono, Yade, a Sergio Manucho, Bernard Padibu, producers. Yana Wakaida, Nankasaka Kijuan, where I can see anybody. Yada Pomodion Sambetuaso, Koso Hebegum.